could do it all again, I know I'd go back to you.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you guys a Happy Mail opening. And on the subject of Happy Mail, I had a few people on my channel ask me what Happy Mail is. And one, I should have been doing a better job of explaining it. So Happy Mail is basically, you just get with a friend and you decide to swap. And it can be anything. Like I've seen people, for me, I swap like crafty type items, pocket letters, flip books, tags, all kinds of just crafty stuff that I like to do with my friends. But I've seen people do like new items, I've seen people swap cosmetics, just toiletry items, anything that you want you can swap with your friends. There's a lot of Facebook groups for it. I'll link my 2 Facebook groups that I'm in the description box below if you're interested in going and joining. But yeah, so it's just a lot of fun. It's called Happy Mail because you're super happy when you get it, I guess, because I'm always super pumped. Like maybe it should be called Super Pumped Mail. I don't know. But so I'm really excited because I got a message from my friend, and she said that my swap buddy, she said that she got hers today, and I know we sent them on the same day. So I just knew it would be my mailbox when I got home, and it was. So I'm so excited. So of course I taped off like all of our information so you can't see it, but I wanted to show you the front here. She decorated it really cute with a couple of little Halloween stickers that I'll try to peel off there and see if I can salvage them, but they're really cute. Yeah, it looks like they'll come right off. So cute. I always love it when I can like salvage stuff. And then she just took like some orange cardstock here, wrote my address, and then she went around it with some of this really cute black and white washi tape. And then on the back, she added some really adorable like pumpkin embellishments and web and stuff. So I'll go through and I'll salvage that as well if I can get it off of there. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. Our swap this time was a Halloween pocket letter swap. So I'm really excited. This is my first time that I have swapped with Laura. And it's always fun when you swap with somebody for the first time because, like I've said before in some of my other videos, everybody just has a different style, like an artistic style. And so I can't wait to see what her artistic style is. Okay, finally got into it. Okay. All right, so to start off with, she has it wrapped in some really pretty tissue paper here. It almost has the texture of like a crepe paper, but that's really pretty. That's some nice tissue paper. Okay, so here is what I'm going to assume is my card. It looks like she made it. It's really cute. It says keep calm and eat candy corn. I love that. I'm so obsessed with candy corn. If you guys watch my channel, you already know that. All right, so on the outside here, this is so adorable. Look at this first little die cut she has, and it kind of looks like, I thought maybe it was a sticker, but maybe it's just a die cut. It's really cute. I've never seen this before. Adorable. So cute. It's like a little bat. And then a Halloween pencil. This pencil is so cute. Can you see those little bats on there? Adorable too. I love that. I love adorable Halloween. Like, I like any type of Halloween, like scary Halloween, anything, but adorable Halloween is just adorable. Okay, and then she made me a little pinwheel, like a little wand pinwheel, and it looks like maybe she did some layering. Yeah, that's fun. I love that. So she put a lot of artistic detail into this. She layered a couple pieces. I don't know if you can tell. She put this moon in the middle, and then she distressed the outside with some distress ink. Very pretty. I will add that to my wand collection that I have. Okay, so this is the pocket letter. I can't wait to see the pocket letter that she sent me. I must admit, you guys, I kind of got off the pocket letter train for a while. I don't know why. I just kind of started visiting other avenues of crafting. But this weekend, I really got back into pocket lettering. I made this unicorn pocket letter, which if you haven't seen my video on that yet, go check that out. I'll pop a card up right here and you can go check that out. But yeah, I kind of got back into it, and I remembered why I love pocket lettering so much. Uh-oh, this little dude came off. We'll just put it right there. All right, I'm definitely gonna save this tissue paper because it's really pretty. Like, I know there's some people out there that would be like, that's so just tissue paper, you're so weird, but it's a really pretty tissue paper. Okay, so that was in there, I'm not sure where it was, but I'll go ahead and show it to you. It's just a little Day of the Dead sugar skull, and it's a sticker that I can use, very cute. All right, I love this. This is so pretty. Here's what I love about it. It's got a bunch of vintage stuff. I am so into vintage Halloween. I love it. It just, I don't know. It's just awesome. So, loving this little pinwheel she put on the outside. It looks like she used a little cupcake liner and made a crepe paper bow. And this is a really pretty white pumpkin embellishment there she put in the middle. Very cute. And then a little Happy Halloween clothespin. That's cute. I've never seen that before either. Very cute. And it's got a key on it. Aww. All right, and then let's look at the pocket letter itself. So in this first pocket, she's got October 31st with the little vintage Halloween. It says Perfect Pumpkin on it. And I'm really, really loving this. This is so cool. I wonder if she made this. I can't tell. It'd be really easy to make it if not. But I'm gonna pull it up here a little bit because that's covered. So it says Witch, and it's got this old vintage picture with the broom. That's so pretty. And then this one, it's got the little vintage witch girl. Oh, that's really cute. That's a cute pumpkin, like wooden cutout. It says Scream. It's got the little black cat. And this one says Rest in Peace, coffin with the little spiders. Those look like little like velvet spiders. I bet you, yep, they are. Cool, so they're like textured spiders, how cute. And then the old portrait of the man. Love the layering she did on this one here. So she used like this fishnet stuff to go over it. That's so artsy, so artistic. I love that, so crafty. And she's got the bat with the little kitty, the black cat again. It says Curse. I like these little words she used. Those are cool. I wonder where she found those. And then this one's got the spider web, and again, I don't know if you can tell, but that's like a velvety type spider web. And that frog, oh my gosh, that frog is so adorable. So cute. He's like a little 3D frog. His little leg is higher than the rest of his body. I'm loving these vintage pictures. Those are really cool. All right, and then the bottom down here, this one says Eerie with another one of those really cool pumpkins. And another little girl dressed up for Halloween holding her pumpkin there. The middle one says Magic Potion with another one of those awesome portraits. Those are so cute. Love the embellishments. This is the coolest sticker. Can you guys see that? It's the little cauldron, but the stuff coming out of it's actually like 3D. It's hard. Super detailed sticker there. Cool. And then the last one says Afraid. It's got a couple little like sequin type things here with the like a little witch with a cat on the moon. So cute. I love this pocket letter. It's adorable. And then on the back, oh my gosh, she included some super, super cute stuff. So I am a huge, huge fan of Doodlebug Designs. I am obsessed with Doodlebug Designs. They have the cutest stuff out there. Thank you so much, Laura. This is awesome. They're brads and they look like little candies. Those are amazing. So adorable. I'm gonna go ahead and stick everything back in, I think. And then on this one, let's see. Okay, so this little guy looks like it was in with those. And then there's another one, and it's a ghosty with another one of those 3D foams on the back where you can use it as a sticker. That is cute. And she made them, which I love. Oh, and this is fun. Candy corn. And then looks like she kind of like watercolored it there. Oh, that is so good. It's like a little diagram of how, like, what the makeup of a candy corn. So cute. Trick or Treat, she backed it with some more cardstock to make it really durable. That's fun too. Very creative. And then this one, ooh, do I see some vintage portraits? I hope so. 'Cause I was loving those. Yay, she did. She included some of these. Now let's see. Okay, it looks like maybe these were with paper pad. It looks like to me. So a couple of old portraits. I like those because she did a really pretty job with them in the front of hers. Maybe I can make my own now. Well, next year because now it's kind of late. But a paper clip, very pretty. Looks like she made it herself. Flowers. I'll add that to my planner. Clip that right there. And on this one, this is cool. This is one of those that you move back and forth. It's like a skeleton and then you move back and it's normal. I don't know if that's picking up on camera or not, but it's pretty cool. It's a sticker, it looks like. And then a couple of cat stickers. And these look like the ones from Dollar Tree, and I didn't pick all of them up at Dollar Tree. I picked up the ones that said Boo and the ones that had the bats and stuff, but I didn't pick up the cats, so cool. I have a couple cats now because I didn't get those this year. These look super cool. Let's see what these are. These are awesome. These are really cool die cuts. So they are, they're die cuts, but they're glitter die cuts. So there's a spider, a bat, and then just a skull. Those are so cool. Love those. And then some tags. This one says Boo to You. And a little candy corn guy. So cute. I love candy corn. I know I say it a million times, but I do. They're so adorable. All right. And then this next one. So at the beginning of the season this year, I received, I think, one of these. And I was like, I'm never going to use it. I'm going to hoard it because it's so cute. And I think I got another one. I think that I got the pumpkin earlier. So now I have two where maybe I can let myself use one because they're so adorable. You guys know how it is when you get something super cute and you hoard it because you don't want to use it because you want it. So very, very cute. I love these. One side's normal, one side's glitter. So cute. I'm super excited about these. Look at these. I don't have these. I have a lot of Halloween sequins and stuff, but I don't have these. These are too cute. There's bats and tombstones and ghosts. Adorable. I wonder where she got these. These are too cute. I love these. She put in some really super great goodies in here. Okay, and then looks like another one of those little, I don't even know what these are called. If you know what these are called, comment down in the comment box below. But like whenever they, like the transitioning maybe, I don't know. But you can see he goes from being a skull or like a skeleton to normal. Cool. And then this one says Halloween greetings, screeching owls, flying bats, flying spirits, and black cats will make a spooky Halloween with lurking witches and ghosts unseen. That would be something fun to put in your planner or something. Very cute. Again, it's the vintage, which I love the vintage. Okay, and the last pocket. Looks like there's a little envelope here. If I can get it out. There we go. All right, so it looks like she made a little envelope and decorated it with like an enamel dot and a little 3D spider sticker. Oh, how adorable, it's Velcro. Look at that, so cute. And it's like a little envelope. Oh, there's stuff inside of it. Okay, let's see here. How cute. I love the little Velcro, like touch to that. Very adorable. Okay, so inside the really cute little envelope, there are just some little die cuts. That one says spooky Poison. This one's just a little shape. Another Poison. Toxic. Toxic, I guess. And my brain wants to read it Toxic-Q. Anybody else? That's cute though. A smaller one. These are so adorable. 31st. One of those cool vintage owls. A couple of like apothecary things, like some labels, an apothecary bottle. Yeah, more apothecary. Cute. These will be so fun to make pocket letters with next year. Very, very cute. All right, so that is the pocket letter, you guys. That's a great example of just a really pretty, well done pocket letter. It was a lot of fun. She put so much detail into it, which you can always appreciate when you swap with people. You can tell when they just really put their heart and time into it, which I can tell that's what she did. So very pretty. I love this. I can't wait to just hang it up and look at it every day. That's what I do with my pocket letters, is I hang them up on my wall. And eventually, like I kid you not, my wall is almost full. So when my wall gets full, I'll take them down, put them all in a binder, and I'll start over. But right now I hang them on my wall, and I just enjoy looking at them while I'm crafting. So that is it. If you guys enjoyed this Happy Mail opening, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. I post a lot of Happy Mail openings, a lot of the things that I make myself that I send to my swap buddies, and some hauls and just DIYs and things like that. So I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.